Let's add a custom 3D item model to our Minecraft mod. More in-depth topics for Minecraft modding available in the 121 modding courses linked below, covering writable and tameable entities, custom entity armor, and even custom entity inventories, among many more awesome topics. Alright, we found ourselves back in Terraria once more, and in this tutorial we'll be adding a custom 3D item model to our Minecraft mod. Basically, a similar thing that we've done previously with the Tomahawk. However, without any of the entity stuff, it's just going to be a 3-dimensional item. And of course, it's going to be the Spectre staff already prepared right here as a Blockbench file. This, of course, will once again be available to you down below for download, as well as all of the code and all of the rest, as per usual, is always linked in the description below, so you can double check it there. When it comes to the Spectre staff itself, well, let's just basically export everything that we're going to need. So file export block/item model. That's going to be the spectre_staff.json. You also want to export the texture, right click, save as, and then simply save it. I've already saved it over here, so I'm going to overwrite it, but that's fine. These are the two things that we need. So the JSON file as well as the texture itself. Now, once we have this, we can go down and go into tutorial mod models over here, item model, and the item model that we already have that's pointing to the animated texture. We actually want to click on this, press Shift F6, and we're going to rename this to spectre_staff_2d.json. We're then going to copy over the exported JSON file from Blockbench. I'm going to change this to tutorial mod : item/spectre staff, and the same thing goes for the texture right here. Very important that we do this. Then similarly, in the texture right here, we're going to change the item texture from the Spectre staff to the Spectre staff_2d. Right? And the same thing for the file over here, so the MSC meta file. So this will now be called spectre_staff_2d.png.mcmeta. And we actually also need to change this in the 2D over here so that it points to the correct texture. It's quite important that we do this because we're going to need this in the next tutorial as well. So there you go. And also the Spectre staff is pointing to the Spectre staff texture, which is going to be the thing that we have exported right here, spectre_staff. So this looks kind of like this. And now that we have this, we have a 3D item model for our Spectre staff. That's literally it. The only thing that we need is the custom item model JSON file and then the correct texture. Always double check the textures over here because they usually don't point to the correct one. That's just, sort of a quirk of Blockbench. So do double check this. But once you do, and when you have all of this, I guess let's jump into the game and see if it works. Alright, finally back in Minecraft, and as you can see, the Spectre staff now in all of its glory, 3-dimensional, both on the ground as well as in the inventory, as well as in the hand and everywhere where we might have it. Absolutely freaking fantastic. However, last time we've added such a cool, 2D item that was animated. Wouldn't it be awesome if, in my hand it would be 3D, but in the inventory it will be 2D? Well, maybe next time. But that is 3D item models to Minecraft. Awesome. And indeed next time, because next time in this video, we'll make our custom item look like a 2D texture in the inventory and a 3D model inside of the hand. Hope to see you there. So, yeah.